Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I'm coming back here with another paint with me video, and this time around we're going to try to paint a bird, which the reference photo is taken from Pinterest, and at the end of the video I'll give you some kind of an outro, but for now let's enjoy the video and see you at the end of the video. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video and I hope you also like the result of the painting. And as some of you guys know maybe that I'm really new at painting. Like, I started since the pandemic started. I'm sure I have a lot to improve, and if you guys have any comments on it, just welcome. You can just write your comments down in the comment section. And yeah, and if you're curious on like more of my paintings, you can go on my Instagram, which I already included in the description box. And yeah, thank you so much for watching again, and I hope you well and stay healthy and happy. Yeah, so see you in the next one. Bye.